Hello, fellow Earthlings. Yes, it's been a little bit of time, but I have been hardcore in TINSELFIRS. THEdraya! Christmas lovers. It may seem early for some of you, but it is almost October already. And for some of you who know me well, know that as soon as the snow starts somewhere, it's time to start getting serious on those trees. But really, if you know me really well, you know I have trees up all year and I'm adding new trees every month. As a matter of fact, I have a series called TINSELFIRS Tree Decorating Inspirations, which I am going to link the playlist to. So at the end of this video, there will be a playlist to link to somewhere around here. I'm not sure how the pointing thing works. I know everyone does it, but maybe here, maybe here. But anyway, so this episode, what I wanted to do was link you to the playlist where you can get all kinds of tree inspirations, because I like to see Christmas as a little bit of magical joy all year long. And if you've been following the TINSELFIRS, you know that's one of our mantras. Really, it's joy and bliss. And one way to do that is just to sprinkle a little Christmas style magic on the whole year. So birthday comes, guess what? Birthday TINSELFIR. Mother's Day TINSELFIR. It's a sweet way to send somebody a little bit of happy joy. So hopefully you'll be inspired by these tree ideas. Hey, comment some new ideas down below because I'm always looking for something cool. As a matter of fact, for this month, I'd really love to do a Chiefs tree because if you don't know, we are from Kansas City. We spent a lot of time in Kansas City, and Will and I met in Lawrence, Kansas, and lived a long time in Kansas City, Kansas, and Kansas City, Missouri, and around those areas. So we are Kansas City Chiefs fans since way before they made it to the Super Bowl. So I was really excited about the idea of doing a Chiefs tree. I'm not sure if I'll be able to pull that off this year, but hey, if you pull one off, please leave a comment, post your video, DM it to me, and I can post it on our site. I would love that. In the meantime, though, enjoy this playlist over here, somewhere up here. I'm not totally sure how the pointy thing works, though I see people do it all the time. This playlist will get you a link to all the trees I've done so far for this year. And if you click to the TINSELFIRS, you can see the trees from last year as well. So any trees coming from October, November, December will be added to this playlist as they come. So if you just enjoy some quick tree decorations for fun, that's one of your things. Instead of cat videos, you like tree decorating videos, feel free to watch it all year, every year. That would be amazing for you and for me. Enjoy these trees, these tree decorations, and the playlist to follow somewhere over here. And happy, merry, blessed, feliz to all of you. I hope you're enjoying the beginning of the season for yourself. So happy, merry, blessed, feliz to all my fellow TINSELFIRS and Earthlings. THEdraya!